distribution of scooty under Sakhi Express organized at Depot Club on 6 September. Naga Rengma LP School standing in a desolated condition. Bike-truck collision at Bokajan had left 2 youths injured on 5 September.
Grab the biggest opportunity. The Golden Wings presents second KAL English Fashion Week 2022. Both for male, female, Mrs. Teen and kids. Promoting our local behavior and tourism. Required heights, male 5.5 and female 5.3 professional. Dress code for preliminary auditions. Denim blue jeans and white t-shirt. Pencil heels compulsory for female preliminary audition scope. Diphu, Denarong, Wolongkomaji, Japrajan, Hanjang Langso, Hamren, Dongka, Kaziranga, Umrangso, Haflong, Chokihola and Hawarkehat. For further details, please contact 60032 93958.
Good morning viewers and welcome to KAL English Live, Voice of KAL English. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. On 6th of September, ceremonial distribution of scooty under Sakhi Express was organized by Assam State Rural Livelihood Mission, KAL English, under Department of Panchayat and Rural Development, Government of Assam at Depot Club. On the ceremonial distribution of scooty, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, Honorable CEM of KAL English Autonomous Council, had attended as chief guest of the event. Horen Singh Bay MP, Rup Singh Teron MLA, Richard Togbi EM, Ritesh Inghi EM, Madhuram Lekthe EM, Mukut Mahanta EM, Debakar Nath, Deputy Commissioner KAL English, MSCs and all several other important dignitaries attended as guests of the ceremonial distribution of scooty event. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM KAL English Autonomous Council, while addressing the public, informed that the state and the central government are committed to uplift and empower women from every aspect. To promote self-reliance, the government had furnished financial aid as well as introduced various schemes to all the registered self-help groups. To ensure suitable and easy mobilization, over 200 free scooty were distributed to the women workers under the able leadership of Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is notable that KAL English has 7 developmental blocks in total, and through this mission, 200 individuals would be benefited from across the district. 23 individuals from Haurughat Development Block, 33 from Langsomepi Development Block, 43 from Lumbajong Development Block, 21 from Nilip Development Block, 26 from Rongbongwe Development Block, and 21 from Samelangso Development Block. The formal ceremonial distribution was done by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM KAL English Autonomous Council, and 3 scooty were distributed initially.
পৃথিবীৰ জনপ্ৰিয় প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াৰ আঁচনি যাতে মহিলাবিলাকৰ আগুৱাই নিয়া স্বাৰ্থত প্ৰত্যেক আত্মসহায়ক গোটবিলাকৰ যাতে বিনামূলীয়া চৰকাৰৰ পৰা যাতে তেওঁলোকৰ ৱৰ্কিং কেপিটেল পুঁজি যাতে তেওঁলোকে পায় নিজৰ ভৰি নিজে থিয় হ'ব পাৰে মহিলাবিলাকে সেইবিলাকৰ আঁচনি পূৰণ কৰাৰ স্বাৰ্থত আৰু লগতে ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়াৰ নেতৃত্বত সেইবিলাকৰ আঁচনি আজি বিতৰণ কৰিবলৈ
News Desk Report, KAL English Live. Naga Rengma LP School, situated at Sati Rengma village under Nilip constituency, was established in the year 1949. It has completed 73 years since its establishment. But looking at the condition of Naga Rengma School in this visual, what's your point of view regarding this? There are many government lower primary schools and high schools under Nilip constituency which are deprived from proper school infrastructure, teachers, school essential materials, and many more. If we really want to uplift and transform the education system in Nilip constituency, there are many things to be done, starting right from the scratch. In many schools with good number of students, we can see the absence of teacher most of the time. Meanwhile, we can also see some schools with good number of teachers but with less number of students enrolled in the school. and in some schools appointed with only a headmaster are entrusted with the responsibilities of BLO works by the government. Likewise, Naga Rengma LP School, located at Sati Rengma village adjacent to Kadom Ari, my village under Nilip constituency, is standing in a desolated condition due to the insufficiency of teachers' strength, absence of teachers' quarter, office room, sanitary system, and many more. The total number of students enrolled this year at this school is 11.
এইটো স্কুলটো অলপ আনসাইড এৰিয়া দিয়া হৈছে না এইটো গাঁওগিলা চোৱা মিলাটো নহয় আৰু মই নিউ পোষ্টিং পাইছোঁ 2018 চনত আৰু দুই সালটো হ'লে এনে লকডাউন গ'ল এইফালে এইটো অলপ ভাল কৰি বিচাৰি আছোঁ মই
Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. The accident occurred when a bike was heading towards Bokajan and a truck advancing from Dimapur met at a head-on collision near Notun Bosti Tri-Junction, road falling under the jurisdiction of Borpathar Police Station on 5th September. It was reported that a newly purchased bike with no bearing registration number plate yet was on its way to Bokajan, and at the same time, a truck bearing registration number NL06A2952 was also advancing from Dimapur town when its tragic incident was encountered near Nutun Bosti Tri-Junction, Bokajan. Two youths who were riding the bike was identified as Sonjoy Kiling and Bimol Terang, residents of Bornirja Langtut Kiling village, had obtained critical injuries. Locals informed Borpathar police about the incident, and accordingly, police reached at the spot and took control over the matter. The critically injured victims were immediately taken to Bokajan Hospital for their further treatment. So far, no any loss of life had been reported. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.